In this video, we're going to look into the prerequisites you will be needing if you want to follow along with this series of videos on applying machine learning to cybersecurity. So the first thing you need to install is a Python library called PE-file. Now again, we'll be following the curriculum from the book that's linked in the description and also here, so make sure to check it out. A big shout out to the author Jihab Chabi for inspiring these tutorials. Okay, so my system is Windows 10 64 bits and I have Python 3 installed. And now we're going to install the PE-file module. So open up a command prompt and do pip3 install PE-file. So I already have it installed on my system and it should give me a requirement already satisfied, which is exactly what it gives me. Okay, now the next thing we need is the malware data set. So you're going to download it from the official repository of the textbook, which is here. So I'll provide a link to it in the description as well. Now, a few words about this data set. So this data set was created by Pratik Lalwani, and it contains approximately 138,000 samples, as you can see here. And there are 41,323 Windows binaries, which are axes and so executables and dynamic load libraries or dynamic link libraries, I guess. Let's see, what does DLL stand for? Dynamic link. Yeah, dynamic link. All right. So we have 41,000 XAs and DLLs, which are the legitimate files, and we also have about 96,000 malware samples that were taken from virusshare.com. Now, as you can see, this is roughly a 2-to-1 ratio of malware samples over legitimate files. Okay, so this is what you need to know about the data set. We'll also be using pandas. So pandas, and if you don't have it installed, open up another command prompt and do pip3 or a terminal if you're in Linux or Mac, do pip3 install pandas. Okay. So as you can see here, it is very likely that I will be using or I will be working in Jupyter notebooks for this series. So if you don't have it installed as well, this is another prerequisite. I prepared a link in the description for you to actually install it on your system. So you'll actually go to jupyter.org/install. Okay, we'll stop here for now, and in the next video we're going to take a look at our malware data set using pandas. Make sure to like and subscribe and activate the bell notifications to know when the next video is up. Thank you for watching.